Now, I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded for some time, but I have now finally hopefully gotten to it. And in today's video, we are going to be doing the how to build Bob, the Lego Bob figure from Bob the Builder. So hopefully this will all be done in one part. So enjoy. And there you go. So you have now built your very own Lego bodybuilder. Now, there is an option that you can choose. So you see how this bob does not actually have a mouth? It's just a replacement piece. Well, if you want the mouth, then you just kind of do a little bit of a rework there and just add a sausage going across for the smile. I can put a picture on the screen for you if you want. But yeah, unfortunately it may not be the nicest looking bob, but it is very difficult, especially in this scale, to get a decently good looking bob. So perhaps he may look better in the future, but I'm honestly not sure. But either way, I think it turned out decently well. And yeah, but obviously this bob will be superior over that bob any day. Unfortunately, it is a bit dark in my room, so you can't really see him very well, but yeah, this is the bob I'll be using in my stop motion, since that guy is really hugely out of scale towards that. So yeah, hopefully you guys were able to follow along this tutorial, and hopefully it all made sense. There, a little bit better review of the bob figure. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all next time for another video, which hopefully will be releasing chapter 14 of my story. So see you guys there. Bye.